Hi everyone, today I will show you a simple trick to make your browsing experience more comfortable. That is how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome browser using your phone and your laptop. So let's dive in. First of all, we are going to explain that of the laptop. So why did you need dark mode in your Google Chrome? Why would you have to put it in a dark mode? That is your Google Chrome. Because it helps the eye strain. It helps the eye strain in a low light environment. That is one thing you need to know about. It also helps your live battery in your phone on the OLED screen. It also gives the Google Chrome a sleek look. So these are the benefits you can derive from using the dark mode of the Google Chrome browser. But the other side of it, which is the downside, is that some people will feel that it is hard to read small text in a dark mode for an extended period. So if that's the kind of person you are, then no worries, feel free to toggle it off anytime. But before you start using the dark mode, you need to make sure that for your laptop or your phone, your Google Chrome is at the latest version before you can do this. So to do this, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. If you tap on that, that drops down a menu where you can navigate to the settings. You click on settings. From the settings, you then navigate to the appearance tab. From the appearance tab, then you find this interface with the mode. So from the mode here, you can find a box where if you click on it, you have three options that drops down as menu. So where you find the dark mode. So from the three options, you can choose anyone which you wish your Google Chrome browser to appear as. So since we are willing to use the dark mode, so we can then click on this dark mode, then that changes the appearance of Google Chrome. So this is how you can change your Google Chrome browser to a dark mode on a laptop. Yes, grab your phone and make sure your Chrome browser is on the latest version. If not, tap your App Store to update it first. Then come down to your Google Chrome, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. From there, scroll down to settings, tap on settings, then come down to the theme, then tap on theme. There you have it over here. This is an interface where you can toggle your Google Chrome browser to the dark mode or to the light mode or to the system default. So if I toggle this on, I tap on the dark, then this changes the surface or the interface of Google Chrome browser. So if I return to the main menu of the Google Chrome browser, you can now see that it has changed to what? To dark mode. So here you can now browse and make your browsing more comfortable for you. So as I said earlier, you can easily toggle it off if you are not comfortable with it. So this is how to toggle it off or on. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.